My daughter and I are going to make 3-ingredient super easy ice cream. Okay, I have to open condensed milk. So the first ingredient, a can of condensed milk.
And 2 tablespoons vanilla.
Condensed milk is really sticky. And you put it into a bowl, which she is doing, kind of behind her.
Oh, you got a spatula. I forgot that.
And a spatula. She forgot a spatula. Spatula! That is the bowl that we're going to use to freeze the ice cream. We're videoing this, so try not to spend an hour and a half doing that. Makes for bad TV. Now we have heavy whipping cream.
2 cups.
2 cups of heavy whipping cream. So now she's whipping this up until, what, soft peaks?
Yeah, until it looks fluffy.
Okay, until it looks fluffy. And we found some sprinkles to mix in. All we could find were Halloween sprinkles because, you know, we're stuck inside. Okay, about how long does the cream take? Like 2 minutes?
Yeah.
Takes like 2 minutes. Oh, speeding it up. What, do you speed it up once it starts to get a little fluffy? Or did you just speed it up because you're sick of standing there waiting? Okay. We did this a couple of days ago, and we're absolutely shocked at how good it came out. Are those soft peaks?
Well, it looks good enough.
It looks good enough, okay. What, are you folding it in?
Yeah.
So the sprinkles are the only difference that we're making in this batch than the first batch that we tried. Clonk. So she's folding it. The more you mix it, the bubbles start to collapse. You don't have to add any sugar because the sweetened condensed milk is sweetened. Scrape that bowl. The sweetened condensed milk is like really sticky, so it really sticks to the bottom of the bowl and everything. Okay, we'll put the spatula in the bowl, right? Okay, into her mouth. Womp. Putting the cap on it and throwing it into the freezer. And it will be delicious in, what does it take? Probably a good 10 to 12 hours, huh? Okay, so yummy. So hope this helps somebody, and enjoy your coronavirus quarantine.